dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. Again, I partnered with my friends over at African Mall and this is going to be a pretty in-depth review. So if you want to see what it is that I think about the entire site as well as what I picked up, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so this is my best friend. We've been friends since the 4th grade, but she's modeling this outfit for me because it was too small. I really wish it fit because it would have been perfect for Christmas. I love being extra and it's so pretty. It's really good quality with the sparkles. I'll put the sizes down below for everything, but it was too small and it fit her really cute. So there you have it. Now, here I am showing you this top. This top I thought looked futuristic. It looked really sleek and cool. Like it looks pretty trendy on that whole sports luxe vibe. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. It's actually a bodysuit and I would recommend it. I should have went one size up. I think it only had small, medium, and large. I believe this is a large, but it's okay. Your girl is in the gym and on keto, so I think I'll make it work, but it's really stretchy, so I was able to get into it. Very comfortable and I do like it. Now here we have my bestie again. This is a one-piece suit and this one-piece suit was a little too tight on my hips. It does fasten underneath. I love it because of how open the chest is. I couldn't look this good in it. She's really killing it. I would recommend the tape trick with a shirt like this if you dolls wanted to rock it. Alright, now I got a lot of tops in this haul. This is a jacket. It's like a hoodie. It's pretty comfortable. It feels really soft. I am in love with the color. This is like a mauve color and it has like little gold details with the cord. I love it because it's a hoodie and it's slightly oversized and it's just really warm. So I'm really into the whole fuzzy teddy bear look right now and you'll see that later in the haul. Now as far as shipping, this all came shipped in individual plastic bags in one big package from I believe DHL and it got to me in about 1 week. Now, I really love this top. It's a little short. I think the bra I had on was like a push-up bra, so it honestly probably fits better with like a t-shirt bra. It definitely makes a difference. But I love the color. I love the detail with the thumb holes. I love that it feels like a wife beater shirt if you can see the type of material that it is. I think turtlenecks are super chic and sexy. I paired it with these earrings, which is also from African Mall. They have accessories, they have wigs, they have purses. So I wanted to pick up these clear earrings because I think they can match with a lot of items and that's the reason for the brown lip. But I adore this crop top and wish it came in a bigger size. I'll probably have to change up again, like I said, the bra, and I recommend it. And here we have this dress. I know you dolls seen me in something like this before. I'm just in love with reptile print. This is a snake print dress. This dress is very body conscious. It's very short, but I love that it's long sleeve and it has this mock kind of turtleneck thing going on. I would recommend it. It's very flattering. As far as the material, it's not see-through, which is a plus, and it has a bit of stretch to it. So again, I'll put my sizes down below so that you guys can match up my measurements with what I picked out to make shopping easier for you. And here I am back again with a zip up hoodie. I told you dolls, I am in love with this trend right now. So I have so many bottoms. I wanted to get some more tops. So this haul has a lot of tops, but that's why I like the website. There's lots to choose from at really good price points. This is my favorite item of the entire haul because of the cord. I like that on the bottom, as you can see, it pulls into my waist. So even though it's oversized and fuzzy, it still shows your shape, which is important for a curvy girl like me because I don't want to look just totally boxy. I'm gonna wear this with some jeans and probably some knee-high boots and call it a day. Now back with my power color, I am really loving red. I used to never have red in my closet. This particular top I had from a different company, so I definitely had to grab it because I love it. I love how you can wear it off of one shoulder. I love that it's comfortable. It's like a sweat top material and it's really chic. So again, it does bunch in your waist, so it does give you that shape so you can still look cute in your sweats. Now with the website, everything on there I have gotten. I haven't had any mix-ups in my orders. So far, I would actually recommend it. This is like my third time shopping African Mall, and I would recommend it. Just keep in mind the prices do reflect some of the quality. Now, I know you dolls are probably thinking, what is up with Crystal? Didn't we just see this? No, this is a different top. As you can see, I think this is more of a dressier top, perfect for the winter because it's very warm. It's that whole teddy bear fuzzy look and feel. I do adore how it's kind of a mock turtleneck, so it doesn't go all the way up, but it goes up pretty far, so it does look like it's a turtleneck. It's pretty loose fitting, which is a plus, so you can wear any kind of bra underneath, and you can wear this with jeans, a pair of slacks, some booties. You can wear it to work, you can wear it out with the girl, to the bar, on a date, whatever. This is a really universal and cute shirt. Now this top I wanted to show, I didn't have anything really that matched this, so I just put it on as like a duster. Well, it is a duster, but I really just want to show you dolls what it looks like. The sleeves are wide and the print is really bright and vibrant. As you can see on the inside, it is all white, so this is one of those items that I thought was going to be actual heavy knit fabric, but it ended up being just kind of like polyester and spandex. So again, I'll link it down below. I think it's still pretty and I will still wear it, but it just wasn't what I was expecting. Now this right here, oh my gosh, I love this jacket. It's brown, it's a pretty like tan color. I love the lapels on it. It's kind of like a blazer jacket. There's not a fastener on here that I can tell, but the inside is lined in like a silk satiny feel, so it looks luxurious and it's super warm, it's super fuzzy, it's super cozy. It has pockets. I can go on and on. So as you can see, I love the jacket. When we go out, honey, at nighttime, if you're out with your girls and you're in your little dress, you gotta dress warm. You gotta have something cute on from the car to the club, okay? So I'm getting my coat game up, and this is one I would recommend. Okay, Diva Dolls, so that is it. Again, this haul is just to give you a little bit more insight as far as what to expect from African Mall. Now, don't ask me why they named it that. Maybe it's just to get more views or whatever, but nothing to do with Africa. Long story short is I still recommend the site, and that's because it's super affordable and super trendy. Now when I say affordable, I mean it's affordable, like borderline cheap, y'all. Borderline because not all the items are cheap, but a lot of them are. Kind of pay attention to the price points. I have noticed, like for the outerwear, those things that cost a little bit more, they are actually really good quality, as you saw in the video. And then on the opposite end of that, things that are costing or that cost very, very low, they're pretty thin, they're pretty see-through, and you basically get what you pay for. But again, all about being trendy. We all know that things come and go from trends, and you don't want to spend a lot on something that may not be wearable for you later down the line. So again, the sizing for the most part is on point. I would say check out the sizing details, as well as go back on any of my past videos. That way you can go ahead and get an idea for the sizing. Everything that I did pick up, I will put down below in the box, as well as my sizes. That way you guys have a way of shopping with confidence. That's really it, dolls. You already know, if you don't subscribe to this channel, I need you to go ahead and do that. Please subscribe as well to my fitness and my vlog channel. And you already know, you got to share this video with a friend, okay? I'm on my way to 100K, and I really appreciate all the love and support. If you don't know, I am on Instagram, and my name is @CRYSTALCHANEL, and that's the same for Snapchat, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. So again, I appreciate you dolls so much. I love you dolls so much. I want to say thank you for tuning in, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.